How's it going, ladies and gents? My name is Hitesh. I do e-commerce, and in this Shopify dropshipping course, I'll be showing you guys my exact strategy for making a successful dropshipping store in 2023. And mind you, this is my exact strategy I used to scale this exact store to $90,000 plus and another one to $20,000 plus, with a combined total revenue of $110,000 in a single month. Now I won't show you the exact product, but all the info I'm about to give you applies to every single store I start and run, from product research, testing to scaling successful ads. So make yourself comfortable and let's get started. Here's the store stats: $110,677.47 cents total combined revenue. On this particular store, we lost around $8,000 due to processor issues. Dealing with processor hold was the main issue, and had to refund all the customers. But the next day problem got solved. Almost $32,000 in total cost of goods, around $40,000 in ad spend, leaving us with a rough estimate of $30,000 profit, 30% of margins. Now let's see what we're going to cover today in order to successfully start your dropshipping store in 2023. Product research, creating a profitable ad campaign with a strategy, analyzing the ad, and our scaling strategy. These are the four main components you need in order to succeed in your dropshipping journey. These are the exact steps I use to create all of my e-commerce store and scale them successfully. Let's discuss how I do the product research and find the winning products. Use MineAI. It's hands down the best ad spy tool out there. The free one, you can use Facebook Ads Library, Google Trend. You can also search the product keyword on Google with a minimum of 1,000 to 10,000 monthly Google search volume. You can use websites like SEMrush and RF to search up your competitor and get their keywords as well, and then dissect them, what is working for them and what you can improve on. Where you should source your products from. You can use AliExpress for initial testing and then switch to HyperSQ, Source Inbox, or once you start doing 25 to 30 product sales per day, you can directly source them from a private agent. They are not that hard to find. You just have to join multiple e-com Facebook or Discord groups and make a post that you are looking for a sourcing agent from China, and these agents will comment on your post or DM you, and you just have to qualify them if they are suitable for you or not. You should always look for these product traits while doing the product research: emotion, want, need, and the wow factor. For example, a Valentine's necklace product resonates with the emotion factor. Selling quirky stuff which is mostly linked with the wow factor. Something poppy. Kids toys resonates with want factor. Knee braces. These products resonates with the need factor. I won't suggest you to go into the health niche because you'll face bans unless you have an agency ad account. And any product you select, make sure it has higher perceived value so you can easily mark up with the price to at least 3 to 5 times. Like you can sell a necklace of $1 for $10, $20 easily, with higher selling price than the cost of goods. You can test easily without losing much, and make sure to select the product which appeals to the broader audience also. With higher perceived value, don't select super narrowed down product to the point where you're the only one who's selling and creating the category. Like blueberry matcha tea, only few hundred people would search it, instead of normal matcha tea where thousands of people are looking up on the internet every day. If it is super broad product with insane competition, your only edge to win the market is your angle. For example, matcha tea with protein for gym goers. Test more angles in a competitive niche. Let's clear the concept of how I do the product research. I first go to MineAI and look for the product and select it and search the product in Google and see what monthly search volume it has and is there any competition or not. I'm not talking about a product saturation type of competition, just healthy competition. If their monthly searches are good, select the product and save it in your finalized research sheet. Then search more products like that in MineAI which are going viral and save it to your sheet. Now search that product niche in Google, for example pet products. Look at all the listing and see what product has potential. Most of the time I'll look at the top 10 products and select 2 to 3 products from there. Then I'll look for their monthly search volume and save it to the sheet. Now do that MineAI Facebook product research in Google product research and select 30 to 50 minimum products and upload all of the products to your Shopify store. The main reason for selecting Facebook ad product is that people who are interested in the product after looking it on Facebook are going to search it on Google. Thus, the search volume increases and we fulfill their desire to purchase the product from Google by running Google ads. Now, how I test the products. I ran only Google ads with this store and I test all the products with my hybrid strategy. The name explains it all, testing multiple products in a general store with hybrid product pages. Create a standard Google shopping campaign for the 30 to 50 selected products with a budget of $50 per day, and then set the manual bid to 0.75 cents. Untick targeting networks. Target USA only or any other country you want to sell to. The strategy is not only for the USA, it's just pure media buying. You can use the exact strategy in any other country, UK, Canada, but make sure to select one single country at a time. Analyze the ads after creating your first campaign. It takes Google around 1 to 2 weeks to optimize initially, then can take a month to fully optimize depending on your budget. But the thing about Google is the older the campaign, the more optimized it gets. So you have to wait for at least 1 week before taking any action. After you get a few sales in the first week, analyze the data as which product is getting more clicks and sales. Then narrow down on the product which are selling more and exclude the products which are getting low clicks and no sales later. Add more similar products related to the ones which are bringing in the most sales with the same product research method. As I said, in this 100k month store, I'm not selling anything with Facebook, TikTok or Snapchat ads. Though I would highly recommend you to start utilizing these platforms once you start getting consistent sales while being profitable. And also make sure to install all the other marketing channel pixels so you also collect the data there. Let's drop the scaling sauce. As you're on budget, you have to patiently run the ads and build up the profit and collect the cash flow so you can scale it later. Don't get stuck in the scaling phase. Wait for at least 3 to 4 weeks as Google is more stable. I guess your ROI will be positive as well, and then start the scaling phase. Increase your main campaign budget by 20% every 48 hours. If the CPP slightly goes up, don't worry, as scaling does slightly increase the CPP. But if the product gets unprofitable with the high CPP, then you should decrease the campaign budget to the previous one, descaling to 20% every 48 hours. Some products are like breadcrumbs. You can only make them work with low budget, and some products are like the whole bread, giving positive signs from the get-go without affecting much while scaling as well. This is a pure 1-month-old Google Ads only store in luxury high-ticket home decor niche. The supplier is a private agent in China, shipping with UPS and FedEx, so we are getting faster delivery times. And the main thing no one talks about is customer support. Customer support is key in dropshipping. You're not a big brand, you're a dropshipper. People are not gonna trust you when they see the ad first time. So you have to make sure that you build the trust from the get-go. Our store has a customer support number, a live chat option, and we also convert our customers through live chat and call. So be upfront with your customer that you are available through call, live chat, messaging, and they don't have to worry about getting in touch with us. Also, the main reason why I started with Google Ads only is this, because everyone on YouTube is telling everyone to start with Facebook ads, which is not that profitable from the get-go. Google is more stable. If you're on a budget, make sure to start with Google Ads only. So that is it for the course. I hope you learned a lot till now. Take this business seriously and start making money. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like the video, subscribe and comment down below what should I cover next. Thanks.